So can no cry. Now what did Jehovah hata suridia? No power can stop you unless you don't know the God that you serve.
Me di onyin chira. Ene beko adamnem. Enu am hweso obi kan. Wanya accident next time no kasa chire nyame nipa bia. Wo ba ye careful. Wan ni nyame nipa. Nyame nipa ni de wo sura wurade a won twantro.
You don't tell me. You don't tell me how to talk. You don't tell me how to talk. Then you tell your brother to learn the way you are acting. Then you tell your brother to act the same way you are talking. Because he is acting stupid. Now who are you? Who do you think you are?
You must call the cops.
So that what?
I Ghana. Yeah, we this is to show myself brony time be as your own yare pick. Our own yare. Or to be feeling chrome. Ebeja no I catch a Ghana and he said, do you know me? No, back.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH member, subscribe, share, minute to one hour, Akabi. If you see a way, you say, if wishes were horses, beggars to ride. And then me say me yesterday that someone accident. Me who can't cry. You and diners as a say, hey, nyame, nipa nyame, no bekasa, you go to diners and mumra.
Me di onyin chira. Ene beko adamnem. Enu am hweso obi kan. Wanya accident next time no kasa chire nyame nipa bia. Wo ba ye careful. Wan ni nyame nipa. Nyame nipa ni de wo sura wurade a won twantro. On twantro nsesa niema emma wo bi. Me se me ka akoba enyoda na pai. Because me ni nyame wapam. Ana media minim ni sa wasidio wo hu Kristo hu ni yie no. Kristo na wo wuye na ne nansa so wo sori ye no. According to Matthew chapter 16 verse number 13 wakro no sofo yankwa woni enhwade. Okay. Peter bon waye papa hwi akwa wabon kon sa so oye papa hwi akwa afenso so woni hwe wono ho hia ni bro enti na meka se wiase mu nya de owo sika enya de oni bie nya de woti kurom ena enya de onti kurom enya de oti fipam enya de oti ka papam na mom de ohu Kristo hu ni yie ni nya pam no ni moja pam Yesu moja na ye de mpia wo ne mfe na ye de nka se che sheniti sa Yesu we na meka ne ho asem ebinim de Yesu to Yesu din to ho so na so edru Easter bra na o ma change wo mi din me papa bi enu o se ne ba de Christ na say papa edin a wo de ato akwala no hwe na edru Easter bra na e be fana ko ba se nuamu a wan change ni din
finance
enti so ne Christ na ne ya wewe ne ya hu wo dia ye ready Easter bra ye be chewa bo wasenu ye be chewa bo wasenu. I'm telling you honestly, put your hands together for Jesus. Me se me ka akoba enyu impo na pai ni menya accident because was wo beyi mefra ho hie nsiam enti so obonefo no echichira emmopo was shanso a
elingina
ebedwiri what you say papa fasa ankra tonyum no fada mami sa atia ya no enyina yeah
I Egofo Baptist adum chia so kokai to accident. And e bi de aka ne nsamo. Hwe nipa nyanyame. And abambo anyame de ato di personal. It to take extra power to have impact. Nana sama me support you. Say Christo aduma ni ti kure beku yen. We don't care. Masa Sawu no cry. Now what did Jehovah hata suridia? No power can stop you. Unless you don't know the God that you serve. Or say, I am the chief of all demons. Nyame otimi the bonsam kwa ya dimaba. Osuma bonsam. It is some assemble wo Bible mu. Nyame se menka no cry. No maka no cry. I don't open from picture na kwa bibi emfa Because you be me nyame na me som no me obo me dua me di nyame e na eyi me ho. Obo me dua me di nyame be bo dua. Debi ame say obo me dua me dwane kotoa nyame. Na me di nyame bo dua ho na wo to akogina no. Ye wura dan samonya wi. Nyame sa wo sa wura ne so. Who the passion or the things concerning Christianity you appreciate that woman. Because you maybe at the end of Korean a car nipa yira dodo. A sorry na yesi yen kono ye de ehwa akoye nkwase some space. Obitimi ko jira pop no kane no no asem no de tu ne ho ne e bon sam jimiye. And obitimi ko fast sticker of a church. No, they are born a shop home. Was a sticker anything for 4 the way Jimmy Pro Max. But Bible said, don't take any image. Only Bible can Jimmy say. Obi told a pure water, no, they are born. Me, Sassy can born one, me talk. Because me person make a question to me be a say. Now, one part the catcher say, a told idea, me said the person is from God. One the catcher said, check the Bible. I see there are 2 ways. The narrow way, and nipa kakra bi na fa ho. Broad way na sabe. Kofo bebre fa ho, e ho na ekọ bonsam jam. Enti forget about me ba wa sorry ka no do so dodo a me ja sorry no. Because it me be enye na mesere na me hia. Ohia people who are committed in the hearts to serve him in truth and humility. Yen ya asofu asabe to make it to have to moya me munyo bia nyame anim o se sabe nyama na afo se papa no e nyama tantan wo nyame anim enti ye ma me dan na onya accident na onya accident nyame moja no ebe bon ho ban ye fi won ye ko raf ene de raf aya de bako ai mi am raf mitimi bon achi na me amati akabia ma no. And then brony be a sabi who said no smoking, no smoking. Yeah, but I brony no said you know me.
Okay. So because you know I'm a police. Why are you saying that he should be a police officer before he calls you to do the right thing? Are you saying he should be the police officer before he asks you to do the right thing? Hey, don't do that. Don't try that nonsense. Don't try that nonsense. Don't try it. It's written here that no smoking, and you're smoking here, and they come to you to tell you that you don't do that, and you what are you doing? Brother, listen. Now who does not say gangster? Hey? Who do you think you are? Do you know who I am? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Okay. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You think whoever you are, you think you can break the laws? Whoever you are, you think you can break the laws? You think you can break the laws because it's you? Who are you? Who are you? What do you say? It's okay. I should do what? You go. I should do what? I should do what? You are in charge. Okay. You don't tell me. You don't tell me how to talk. You don't tell me how to talk. Then you tell your brother. You tell your brother to learn the way you are acting. Then you tell your brother to act the same way you are talking. Because he is acting stupid. Now who are you? Who do you think you are? You must call the cops. So that what? Exactly. My brother. No, he's not your brother. He's not your brother. He's not your brother. If you want to comply with the law, that's what you do. No, this is a private property. This is a private property, and they are the security guys here, and you need to comply with whatever they are saying. I'll call you. If they get there and they have to call the cops, that's what they call the cops. But here, they are the security. They control whatever goes on here. Okay, including you. So if you're not doing the right thing, bring my phone. You can go do whatever you want to do. Asshole. Hey, bro, listen. Asshole. I'm repeating it. I'm telling you, what are you going to do? 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 Yo, you think anybody's going to back up for you? Asshole. Calm down. Raf. That's on Johnny Jimmy, you know. I see a form of Timukom, Nipa, and I'm glad I'm chasing it to say the or free. I bet I don't smoke here. We don't smoke or because of the man. That's enough found go station. I say, oh, yeah, why you know about the catches that who smoking? You can find out police. Shut up. What do we know for? And you told me I can't tell a piano without Jimmy, or what can come out. I see a talk. I don't have you said we should do what? You will not work with your family and make arguments, you idiot. Oh, fuck off. You're stupid. We should wait, what, 30 minutes? You're dumb. And what's going to happen? You're dumb. After 30 minutes, what's going to happen? You're dumb. I'll come stamp your wife and your child. What would you do? No, but Obi, what would you do? Huh? No, we want to see what you do too. You're nice. No, you can't come. You can't come. Continue. What are we doing? You come and break the law and you want us to respect you, you asshole. You fool. You fucking pig.
I Ghana. Yeah, we this to show myself brony time be as your own yare pick. Our own yare. Or to me feel chrome. Ebeja no a catch a Ghana and he said, do you know me? No, back because sabe many stranger and a foreigner nya asem no they call police station for and this foreigner this car normal can be a foreign, and that is what is happening in Ghana. That is how come a foreigner would dare ask me, the Ghanaian citizen, said, do you know me? Like, how dare you? One baby, a brochoko baby na you no smoking, you can never smoke there. Bisano say aboche baby actually no smoking. Can he go and smoke there? Stupid man. One bagana won't say, yeah, Jimmy baby actually no smoking. No, they go and smoke there. Yes, stop you and I can say, do you know me? Such low life. And people are applauding. Ralph, where they are they? Hey, they be say, we need to know ourselves, we need to be proud of ourselves. We are blacks, we are Ghanaians. We are blessed nation. The moment that things start taking in their minds and we start teaching our children, that's the beginning of what we call liberation, the mental liberation. Yeah, who's had your way? Yet me mentally and me liberty and one, we are doomed. Into for my neck, walk out with your chest high and know, say you are a Ghanaian, blessed person. Nyamie shraw. Maybe they say nyamie share me. I expose you HFM member, subscribe, share. Many two man now can be manuasi.
Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.